Most people think free shipping means no rules, but that's exactly where they get it wrong. You place an order, expect fast delivery, and suddenly you see limits you didn't know existed. Here's the truth no one tells you. Free shipping inside Walmart is powerful, but it only works when you understand how the minimums and conditions actually apply. Quick promise. In the next few minutes you'll learn exactly how Walmart free shipping works in 2026, what the minimum order rules really are, and how to avoid small mistakes that can accidentally remove your free delivery benefit. Let's start simple. Walmart is a paid membership that gives you perks like delivery savings, fuel discounts, and free shipping on eligible items. The key word here is eligible. Not every item or order works the same way. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest advantages of Walmart is that it removes the standard shipping minimum for many items sold and shipped by Walmart. In simple terms, members often get free shipping even on small orders, which non-members usually cannot. But here's the problem most people run into. They assume everything on the website is automatically free to ship. That is not true. Some items still have restrictions based on seller type, item category, or fulfillment method. Let's break it down. If an item is sold and shipped directly by Walmart and marked eligible, you typically get free shipping with no minimum order requirement as a Walmart member. That is the main benefit. For non-members, there is often a minimum threshold required to qualify for free shipping. Now here's a practical example. Imagine Alex orders a phone charger and a small kitchen item. Without Walmart, he might need to hit a spending minimum to avoid shipping fees. With Walmart, that restriction is often removed for eligible items, making small orders more convenient. But there's another detail people miss. Marketplace items, meaning products sold by third-party sellers, may not always follow the same shipping rules. That is where confusion usually starts. So the smart way to use Walmart is simple. Always check the product label before checkout. Look for sold and shipped by Walmart, and confirm it qualifies for free shipping under your membership. Another useful tip is combining orders strategically. Even though there may not always be a strict minimum, grouping items can still improve delivery speed and availability in some regions. And here's something important to understand. Free shipping is only one part of the Walmart value. You also get benefits like delivery from store options, fuel savings, and other perks that add up over time. So to summarize clearly, Walmart often removes the standard shipping minimum on eligible items, but not everything qualifies automatically. The key is checking item eligibility and understanding how seller types affect shipping. If you remember just one thing, remember this. It is not about spending more, it is about choosing the right items and knowing how the system works. If this helped clear things up, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.